Good morning, students. So we'll move on to the next topic, next module number 2, regarding regular expressions. Fine. Uh, what exactly this regular expression stand for? Where we are using this? One best example is uh, like how we are trying to check our university seat number during the results announcement, right? Okay. So our college university seat number will be 2AB, like your batch number, then later branch name, okay, like CS, electronics, okay, civil, CV, mechanical, ME, okay, followed by 3 digits exactly, right? 2AB, example 13, CS001. Fine. So if you are entering a university seat number in this proper format itself, okay, if results are available for that particular university seat number, then it will show the results over there, right? Okay. If you are entering a wrong pattern of a university seat number, then there will be a error message that uh, you don't have a proper university seat number, okay, or else the format of the university seat number is wrong exactly. How they are going to decide like whether it is right or wrong? Because of the regular expressions, okay. So whatever user is trying to enter through the text box, that should be in a proper format, okay. That proper format is generated or specified or defined using a regular expression, okay. Clear? Okay. So these are the few applications of using regular expression. Means whatever the input pattern you are expecting, according to that, we can design a regular expression. Okay. So from this, this chapter number 2, regular expression. So we are going to discuss about definition of regular expression. Okay. Building a regular expression for a given language. Okay. To obtain FSM from a regular expression and later obtain a regular expression from finite automata. Okay, so these are the total 4 topics we need to cover. Okay, first we'll see what is regular expression, how to write a regular expression for a question. We'll see that. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the different patterns of regular expression available. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Okay, later we are going to solve total 10 different problems over a regular expression. Okay, so we'll begin. So regular expression, the language accepted by DFA or NFA and epsilon NFA is called regular language. Okay, remember this. So the language which is accepted by a FSM, means finite state machine, we are calling it as what? Regular language exactly. And later, a regular language can be described using regular expressions. Okay, consisting of the symbols such as alphabets in sigma, the operators such as dot, plus, and star. Okay, so the regular expression basically we are designing using what? Okay, we are designing using the alphabets which are involved inside the sigma, okay, or which is listed inside the sigma. Okay, we are using that along with that dot operator we are using. What is dot operator? We'll see that. Plus operator we are using, that also we will see. Okay, then multiplication operator. Okay, means star operator. Okay, don't mean like we are adding, we are multiplying. Okay, we don't do that. Okay, plus is having its own name, our own representation, meaning. Okay, star is also having and dot is also having. Okay, so apart from this, we may go for using parenthesis also, open bracket and close bracket. Okay, that we will see in further. Okay, so remember, the language which is accepted by your FSM, okay, will be called as regular language. Okay, and instead of mentioning that regular language, if you want, we can represent the regular expression also. Okay, like formula kind representation of a language. That's it. Okay, nothing else. Fine. Okay, elaborated version we will be having, right? Okay, so that will be compact inside a formula kind of a version. That formula kind we are calling it as a regular expression. Okay, so now plus operator can also be denoted by union. Remember, wherever we are using a plus, right? Union we call it as. Okay, so he is having the least precedence. Okay, dot operator concatenation we call it as. Okay, it will be having a next least precedence. Okay, means at last we will be having a plus. After that we have a dot at later at the top we will be having star operator. Okay, we call it as closure operator. Remember the star we are using a name called as what? Closure. Okay, so we used to get closure properties in module number 3. Very important. Okay, so we'll discuss regarding the star operator in deep in module number 3 exactly. Okay. So this closure property will be having highest precedence. Remember. So whenever in regular expression, if you are getting like plus dot and like star operator, then we need to provide a precedence, means priority for star first, later for dot, and like last for the plus exactly. Okay. And we got one note. The symbols Open braces and closed braces can be used in a regular expression. The order of evaluation of the regular expression is determined by the parenthesis and the priority associated with other operators. Okay, so parenthesis we can use. Okay, like we know already. Okay, how what is the use of parenthesis and how to simplify the expressions using the parenthesis and all. Now, let us see what is a regular expression. A regular expression can be formally defined as follows. Okay, the first one definition we got over here. Okay, so if we are having a empty language, okay, you may ask like how we can represent. See, while discussing the FSM, okay, we discussed regarding a null, okay, we discussed regarding a epsilon, right? Okay, null stands for what? Empty language. Okay, so epsilon stands for what? Epsilon stands for empty string exactly. Clear? We have a two different aspect over here. Empty language is different, empty string is different over here. So empty language, if you want to represent using a regular expression, we are using a symbol called as a null. Okay, you can observe, fine. We are using a symbol called as null symbol over here. Okay. Then later, the empty string, right? Empty string we have, right? So that if you want to represent using a regular expression, then epsilon we need to use. Okay. It is nothing but symbolic representation of any particular language. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Then A is a regular expression, okay, indicating the language consisting of only A. Okay, like if you are having a language specifying like the language should consist of only single A. Okay, then this is what the regular expression we are calling it as single A. That's it. Okay, if R is a regular expression, okay, denoting the language LR, and S is a regular expression denoting the language LS, then R plus S is a regular expression corresponding to the language LR union LS. Yeah. Okay. What he's trying to say is, okay, R is a regular expression of a language. L exactly. Okay. And S is a regular expression of a language. L S exactly. Okay. L R and L S are the two different languages. R is a regular expression for LR and S is a regular expression for LS exactly. Okay. Two different. But if you want to perform a union operation between, observe it very careful, union operation between LS and LR, okay, then corresponding, okay, after making it union, corresponding regular expression for that union operation will be what? LR plus S exactly. This plus indicates what? OR operation. Remember, plus indicates OR exactly. Okay, you may get this or you will get this. Okay, not both. Remember, okay, R plus S always. Next slide, we are going to observe a lengthy of around like 20 to 25 different aspects of regular expression. There, we are using a plus operator. Plus stand for what? OR. OR, exactly. Okay, so like either regular expression R will be used or else regular expression S will be used, not both. Remember, okay, either this or this exactly. Okay, so this is what some brief introduction about regular expression. Okay, two more points we have regarding one is regarding the concatenation and one is regarding the closure. Then RS is a regular expression corresponding to the language LR concatenated with LS exactly. See, if you want to perform a concatenation of LR with LS, language of LR with LS, okay, then R dot S we are calling it. Okay, so the regular expression for this particular union, sorry, your concatenation operator will be R dot S exactly. Then the closure property LR star, if you want to perform, then R star will be utilized. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, when we solve the problem, you will be getting better knowledge about this. Okay, so these are the four, like 1 to 4 different rules for generating the regular expression. Okay, we'll see. We'll go through different aspects, then you'll be getting better knowledge. Okay, the following table shows some example of a regular expression and the language corresponding to these regular expressions. Okay, so here the first column will be representing the regular expression. Okay, and here we will be having a meaning. Okay, so this meaning they will make it as a question. Remember, so this meaning what we have, right? So this they are going to create it as a question. Okay, so appropriate regular expression we need to write. Yeah. So A star we are having, right? Remember, star stand for 0 or 1 exactly. Remember, star stand for 0 or 1 exactly. Okay, so not 0 or 1, 0 or more. Remember. Star stand for 0 or more. Okay. Plus stand for to the power. Remember, to the power plus. Okay. 1 or more. Remember this. Okay. So we'll see. A to the power of star we are having. String consisting of any number of A's. Okay. See, string consisting of any number of A's. Be careful, students. Be careful about the question they give in your exam. Okay. Any number of A's means what? Okay. There may be one number of A, two number of A, 100 number of A's. And there may be a chances of zero number of A's also. He's not saying like at least one A. Okay. He's just mentioning that any number of A's. Okay. Then zero number of A is also possible. Okay. That's why we are writing it as A to the power of star exactly. Star represents zero or more exactly. Remember this. Star represents zero or more. Okay. So, like A to the power of star, if I write zero times also A can occur, one time also can occur, 1,000 times can also occur, 10,000 times also can occur. No problem. Okay. Then later, A to the power of plus we are having. I told you, if we are having a plus as a power, it indicates one or more. Remember the difference between star and plus. Star represents 0 or more, plus represents 1 or more. String consisting of at least one A. At least one A. Okay. Like if you are specifying A to the power of star, that indicates that at least once A will occur, or else, okay, any number of times A can occur. Okay. That's why we are calling it as A to the power of plus as what? Zero, like one or more times. One or more times. Or we are also mentioning that string consisting of one or more A's. Okay. If they ask you like this also, then A to the power of plus is the answer is that. Then later, A plus B within a bracket if we are having. A plus B within a bracket. If you remove the bracket also no problem, because after that we don't have any operator available over here. A plus B within a bracket. String consisting of either one A or one B. Observe it very carefully. Either one A or one B. Okay, see A plus B we are having, right? Okay, A plus B. It states that A or B exactly, not both. Okay, how many number of times A can occur? Only once, because you don't have a star, you don't have a to the power of plus or anything over there, right? Okay, so A plus B means A or B, how many times it can occur? Only once. The output of this may be, okay, A or B exactly, that's it. A or B, that's it. Okay, then later, A plus B whole star if you are having, okay, star, observe it very carefully. A or B, see, I'm not reading this, okay, I'm just trying to explain this. A plus B whole star means, okay, star represents what? Zero or more time. Zero or more time, either A or B can occur. Okay, it said, see, first precedence goes to star. I told you, right? Later we will go for plus exactly. Zero or more times. Okay, the possibilities of occurring A or B, okay, possibilities of occurring A or B may be either zero or more. Okay, see here, set of strings of A's and B's of any length, including the null string example. See, A plus B whole star we are having, right? Okay, don't feel that only once either A will be printed or only once B will be printed. Star represents what? Zero or more times. Zero or more times. The occurrence of, see, double A is also possible, double B is also possible. And infinite number of A's and infinite number of B's is also possible. Okay, and a combination of AB is also possible. Why? Because we are having a whole star condition over here. Okay, whole star. If this whole star is substituted for 8 different times, okay, observe it, 8 different times, then what you get? A plus B within a bracket, A plus B within a bracket, how many number of times? Total 8 times exactly. Then inside that, A can occur or B can occur, right? Like this, here, A plus, sorry, A plus B within a bracket, then A plus B within a bracket, like this total, how many number of times? 8 times exactly. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to select either A or B. From here, A I'm going to select. From here, either A or B. From here, B I'm going to select. Then A I'm going to select. Then A I'm going to select. Okay, like that total 8 number of times we need to. So what is the possible number of, or what is the outcome we are going to get? See, any number of A's or any number of B's we may get over here. Yeah, that is what A to the power A plus B whole star states exactly. Then later A plus B whole star. So here we may get zero number of A's or any number of AB combination over here. Along with that ABB exactly. This states that this particular regular expression, if you elaborate, then that will be ending with a substring called as ABB. Ending with a substring ABB, because for ABB we don't have a plus, we don't have a star, anything. If this is the case, okay, like if it is free from plus and star, okay, how many number of times ABB will occur? Only once. Okay, because you are not specifying any symbol over here. So we'll go for the explanation. Set of strings of A's and B's ending with the substring or ending with the string ABB exactly. Okay, like that. Then AB, A plus B whole star. Okay, so beginning with AB exactly, ending with any number of A's or any number of B's or combination of AB, anything. Okay, so that is what the meaning of AB, A plus B whole star. Then here, A plus B whole star, AA, then A plus B whole star. Okay, it states that it is having a substring called as AB. It is having a substring called as, sorry, AA exactly, double A we are having. Okay, see, for this, we don't have any kind of a star or we don't have any kind of a plus over here. Is it right? Okay, it states what? So here we may get zero number of A's and B's. Here also we may get zero number of A's and B's. Then what we will be left with? AA exactly, right? AA will be left with. Okay, so this we are calling it as a substring. Okay, or else here you may be getting like any number of A's, any number of B's. Here also you may be getting any number of A's and any number of B's. Doesn't matter exactly. Okay, so now we'll go for the last one from this particular slide. A star, B star, C star. Okay, we may get epsilon also. Clear? Like star states what? Zero or more times. Zero number of A's occur, zero number of B's occur, zero number of C's occur. Obviously, we get epsilon over here. Empty string. Okay, empty string we may get. Or else we may get double A. Okay, or else we may get double B, we may get triple C. Okay, such kind. Or else we may be getting like double A, B, double C. Okay, such kind also it is possible. Okay, fine. But we won't be having a mix of ABC over here. It will be in a proper order, like number of A's followed by number of B's followed by number of C's exactly. Okay, because it is in a proper order, right? A star, B star, C star exactly, right? According to that. Okay, we need to follow the proper order exactly, students. Okay, so now we'll go for a bit complicated kind of regular expression. Okay, so here. Okay, a to the power of plus, b to the power of plus, c to the power of plus. What it states exactly? Minimum a, single b, single c will be there. Okay, a, b, c. Or else we may be getting like any number of a's followed by like one or more number of a's followed by one or more number of b's and one or more number of c's exactly. Okay, so here set of string consisting of at least one a followed by string consisting of at least one b followed by string consisting of at least one c exactly. Okay, so this is what a plus b plus c stand for. Then AA star, BB star, CC star. Very careful, very careful. We are not providing a parenthesis for this. Okay, it states that A star exactly. Okay, this star is not applicable for first A. Observe it. This star is not applicable for first B, and this star is not applicable for C. So the minimum what we can generate if you are substituting 0 for the star, okay, will be like ABC. Okay, if you have like any number of, okay, see ABC is fixed exactly. A is followed by any number of A's, then one B is followed by any number of B's, and one C followed by any number of C exactly. Because the star is applicable for this only last C, last B, and last A exactly. Here, be careful, students. Okay, I'm not reading this because I have information regarding the star operators and all. Okay, that's why I'm concentrating about this. Okay, so if you are feeling difficult to understand, so here there is a meaning. Okay, in case of the sentence form, okay, you can easily understand this. Then later, A plus B whole star, then A plus BB we are having. So from this, okay, we may get either single A or we may get double B exactly. Clear? But here, in the beginning, A plus B whole star we are having. A plus B whole star we are having. It indicates what? Okay, A or BB, okay, will be beginning with any number of A or B exactly. Okay, so we'll go through this syntax exactly or as explanation. Set of strings of A's and B's ending with either A or BB. Okay, either ending with A or BB. In the beginning, it may be consisting of A, it may be consisting of any number of B's, it doesn't matter exactly. Okay, but it will be ending with what? Either A or BB exactly. Obvious. Okay, so here we don't have any star operator over here, right? Okay, so out of these two, any one will occur for sure. Okay, so we are writing it there like ending with A or ending with BB exactly. Yeah, okay. So this one ending with B exactly, ending with B exactly, but followed by what? Okay, previously it is beginning with what? observe it very careful, AA whole star, BB whole star we are having. Okay, so if they are occurring for ones also, what we get? AA we get. If they occur for ones also, BB we get it, right? Then B we are going to get. Means this odd number of B is followed by even number of B and even number of A exactly. If they are occurring twice, then 4A we are going to get, and here 4B we are going to get, right? Okay, see here, how many number of times it may be occurring? Okay, it will be occurring even itself. Okay, if they are not occurring, then zero number of A's, zero number of B's. Then this odd B is followed by okay, even number of A's and even number of B is followed by odd number of P exactly. Okay, zero, we are considering it as even, right? So see here, set of string consisting of even number of A's followed by odd number of B's exactly. Okay, that also we can write, because if this is occurring also 2A followed by 2B plus one more B we are having. So total 3 it will become. Okay, so this is what possible of even number of A's. Here also we are generating even number of B's also, but at last we are having one fixed B. Okay, so by default we have one B over there. So even plus 1 will be obviously odd exactly. Okay, so this is meaning like even number of A's followed by odd number of B's. Okay, then later 0 plus 1 whole star triple 0. Okay, set of strings of zeros and 1 ending with 3 consecutive zeros or ending with triple 0. Okay, ending with 0 exactly. Then 1 whole star set of string consisting of even number of ones. Obviously, if it is occurring for 0 time also, even it is once also double 1, even it is twice also 4 ones, even it is okay like that. Then 1 whole star plus 1 we are having. The language represented is the string 1 plus the string consisting of a 0 followed by any number of ones possibly, including none. Okay. See here we will be having 1. Okay, or operator we are having 0 1 whole star, 0 1 star we are having. Okay, it indicates what? 0. Okay, followed by 0 or more number of 0 or any number of 1 or 1 exactly. Okay, we may be getting like 0 followed by any number of ones. Okay, or else single 1 exactly. Okay, that is what it states. Okay, so now we'll go for next slide. Here also we got some example students. Okay, 0 1 whole star plus 1, then 0 1 star plus 1. Okay, within a bracket. Okay, and many more we got. Okay, so please go through this. Okay, we'll go for the problem. Okay, we'll see this how it will be. Okay, so now obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length 2 exactly. Having length 2. Okay, see, length 2 stand for what? AA or AB or BA or BB exactly, right? Using AB, length 2, here 1 2 1 2. Okay, so how many combination we can generate? 1 2 3 4, only 4, right? Only 4 we can generate. Okay, so same thing we are doing over here. Strings of A's and B's with length 2 are AA, AB, BA, and BB exactly. What they're expecting? Obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having length 2 exactly. Okay. So now what we need to do? We need to generate a regular expression. If you elaborate it, okay, then it should state double A or AB or BA or double B exactly. Okay. So this is what we are expecting. Okay, same thing we are writing as a regular expression like AA or AB or BA or BB exactly. Okay, or else we can also write like this also. Okay, A plus B within a bracket, then AB exactly. See, don't get confused. Okay, so what the usually student used to do is that will try to multiply them. Okay, don't do that. See, this is one set, this is another set exactly. This see, in case of first set, what we are going to get? A or B, right? A or B we get. See, let me take it as A exactly. Okay, then from second set, let me take it as B exactly. So what you left with? AB exactly. Whether AB is a combination available here, AB available. That's it. Then if I want to get BB combination, then how this is going to work? See, from the first set, B will be occurring. From the second set also, B will be occurring. Over. Okay. See, AA, AB, BA, BB. Okay. So this combination, we can simplify it as what? A plus B, A plus B over. Very simple. Okay. So these are the, you can write this also, or else the more advanced kind of version will be the second one exactly. Yeah. I hope you don't have any doubts. Okay. So you would like to generate combination of AB. What is the length? 2 exactly. Because of that, we are writing like this. Then later, see here, obtain regular expression representing strings of A's and B's of length. See here, in case of this question, length was equal to 2, but here length is less than or equal to 2 now. Less than or equal to 2 now. So how we can do this? Now, first, what we need to do, less than or equal to 2 with a combination of AB, what all we can generate, we'll list it out first. Okay, so we'll see this. The string of A's and B's whose length is less than or equal to 2 can be written as shown below. We'll see this, how we can. Epsilon, yes. Empty string can be also generated, epsilon. Okay, then later, single A, then single B, then double A, AB, BA, and BB. Less than or equal to 2 they had mentioned. So equal to 2 we are generating over here. Less than 2 means what? Epsilon A, B only we can generate. Equal to we had, that's why AB, AB, AA, BA, and BB we got. Okay, then this we need to simplify now. How we can do this? See, the above string can be obtained using the regular expression. See, same formula we are using over here. What we do? Epsilon plus A plus B, then epsilon plus A plus B. Okay, see, if you want to get epsilon, see here also epsilon will be occurring, here also epsilon will be occurring. Resultant will be epsilon exactly. Then, if you want to get single A, then the first set will be having A, second set will be having epsilon. Then what is the outcome? Outcome will be A exactly. If you want to get a B, first set will be having B, second set will be having epsilon. Or else first set will be having epsilon, second set will be having B exactly. What is the outcome we are going to get? B you are going to get. If you want to generate double A, okay, then just neglect the epsilon. Okay, just go for one A from first set, one A from second set exactly. A and A exactly. Double A you are going to get. Then double B if you want to generate first set B, second set also B. Right? Okay. So like this we can do. And one more thing, we can observe over here. Just observe. Okay, more simplified version we can write. Epsilon plus A plus B, epsilon plus A plus B we are having. Okay, that we are writing it as whole square. Okay, so the regular expression. Okay, more simplified version, epsilon plus A plus B whole square. Okay, if you want to write this, it is also fine. If you want to write this, that is also fine. No problem. Okay, both are right. Okay, obtain regular expression representing strings of A's and B's of length less than or equal to 10 exactly. Please remember this problem. Okay, because less than or equal to 2 condition. Okay, what we got? Whole to the power of 2 we got. Okay, if it is less than or equal to 10, whole to the power of 10 it should be. That's it. Okay, so that is what the question number 3. Okay, now we'll go for the complicated version of the problem. Problem number 4. Obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having even length. Okay, so having even length, they are specifying what? Even length. That's it. Okay, A and B, even length, we are like trying to generate over here. The solution, we'll see. The regular expression is obtained by having 0 or more combination of strings AA, AB, BA, and BB. Obvious. Okay. See here, 0 if you have, then it is also even, right? Then later, AB, utilizing AB, we need to generate even, right? If you are having double A, yes, it is a even. How many number of times? Any number of times it may occur. Twice if it is occurring also, yes, it is even. Then later, any other possibility, then BA, yes, any number of times BA combination occur, still it will be having even number. Why? Because by default, we are generating 2 over here. Okay, here also we define 2 exactly. Then any number of 0 times if they are occurring, okay, fine, it is even. More number of time if they are occurring, any number of time they may be occurring, it will be multiples of 2 exactly. That's why when they specify even length, right, of AB, okay, you need to find, you just consider length as a 2, that's it. Okay, 2 is a even, right, that's it. Okay, then see here, regular expression will be see here, AA or AB or BA or BB whole to the power of star base. Okay, more simplified version what we can write. Okay, see, this can be written as what? A plus B whole star. Okay, whole star should be for not for this particular like bracket, outside it should be. Okay, then whenever we are generating any one particular like A or B any number of times, okay, then you may be getting combination of AB multiples of 2 exactly. Okay, so okay, now later question number 5. Obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's having odd length. Okay, so be careful, students, having odd length exactly. See, here we already designed a even length, right? Okay, so whenever we get this type of question, okay, don't directly go for generating the odd length. Okay, see, when odd can be generated, just imagine 2 is a number. Okay, so if I want to generate a odd for that, okay, if I add any odd number, then that is possible. 2 plus 3, yes, it is odd, but don't do that. Okay, don't go for 3. 2 plus 1 also odd, right? Okay, so try to get that particular one. Okay, in case of your expression, then obviously we can generate an odd number over it. Okay, so now in previous question itself we generated even. Okay, fine, let it be. We generate it again exactly. The regular expression is obtained by prefixing or suffixing a or b denoted by a plus b to the regular expression shown in previous problem as shown below. Okay, what we need to do, a plus b. See, I told you, right? For even, we need to add one or that's it. Okay, one odd value should be added for the even. Then that will be becoming odd exactly. Okay, so now in previous question, we already discussed like how to generate an even length of A's and B's. Okay, for that, if you are adding one A or if you are adding one B, then obviously it will be odd exactly. So you may be asking like where it should be added, either at last, either at the beginning. Okay, so here easily you can observe here AA, AB, BA, BB you are having. Okay, so within a whole bracket star we are having. Okay, if they are occurring for 0 time, okay, see here prefix we are adding A or B, either A will be generated or B will be generated. So what you will be left with odd length, right? 0 plus 1 odd exactly. Okay, or else one more thing also we can do, this A plus B can be suffixed exactly. Suffix means in the uh, sorry, prefix exactly this one, and this is what suffix exactly example of. Okay, so now a plus b will be added in the starting exactly. Okay, so a plus b. Okay, prior to this we are adding. Okay, prior to this we are adding. Okay, so because of that, what we have here, you may be getting either one a or one b, and here you will be getting what, any number of possible combination of a b, b a, b, double A or BB exactly. Okay. If it is occurring for 0 times, then what you are going to get, A or B exactly. Once you are going to get 1 plus 0 will be odd exactly. Okay. Same thing we are doing over here also. Okay. More simplified version we are writing for A, B, B, A. Please remember this. Okay. A plus AB plus BA plus BB. Okay. If you are having, that can be simplified, like written simplified version as A plus B, A plus B exactly. Okay. Then later, question number 6. Obtain a regular expression representing a language consisting of strings of A's and B's with at least A's and B's or no two consecutive letters are same. Okay, no two consecutive letters are same. Okay, combination of A B may be available, but two consecutive A's or two consecutive letters should not be same. Like double A should not occur, double B should not occur. Okay, A B any number of times if you are getting, then okay, fine, no problem. Okay, it is possible. Okay, so now this is a bit tricky. Okay, we'll go through the solution. Okay, the alternate A's and B's can be obtained by uh, concatenating the string AB, okay, 0 or more times with, okay, 0 or more times, which can be represented by the regular expression AB whole star. Okay, AB whole star. Fine. Okay, so now we'll see how we can utilize this AB whole star over and adding an optional B to the front and adding an optional A at the end, okay, as shown below. Okay, what they are trying to say is, okay, see here, A's and B's with at least, sorry, with alternate A's and B's or no two consecutive letters are same. Okay, AB if you are having, then okay, fine, no problem. Okay, A, B, B you should not get. Okay, so how we can do this? What we do? We are just considering AB. Okay, see, any number of time AB may occur, 0 number of time. They are not specifying like minimum one should be occurring over there. They are suggesting like if strings are occurring, there should not be alternate consecutive same letters. That's it. Okay, nothing else. Clear? Okay, so now AB if you are considering, okay, in case of AB, if it is occurring for 0 time, then no consecutive letters are same. First thing. Later, if it is occurring for once, AB we have, no consecutive letters are same. If it is occurring for twice, observe it, AB, then again AB exactly. Consecutive letters are not same. See here, B we have, A we are having, A we have, B we are having. Okay, fine. Then before this some letter may come, after this also some letter may come, right? Prefix also something we may get, suffix also we may get something. So for that, what we need to do, here some optional A or B should be available. Here also some optional A or B should be available. Okay, you can observe, see here, A, B we have, right? Any number of times it may occur, whole star we are providing for this. Okay, so here we need to provide optional. Observe it very careful. Here we need to provide optional A or optional B exactly. See, if I provide an optional A, if it occur, double A we may get. Okay, so here it should be B, here it should be A exactly. Okay, okay, fine. See, how many number of times it may occur? You may be asking like star we can provide. Okay, here also star we can provide. Yes, star we can provide, but it states that 0 or more. Okay, 0 or any number. Okay, see, here we already provided a combination of AB, right? Okay, so in the prayer, like optional A and optional B, we need to provide over there. Because of that, what we do, we are adding or we are providing a OR operation with epsilon exactly. Epsilon plus B, either epsilon will occur or else either B will occur. And here epsilon plus A exactly. So optional A we are providing. Here also, the reverse of that, in the beginning we can provide A, then we need to reverse this AB. It should be made as BA. Otherwise, if you are providing A over here, then continuous A we are going to get. That should not happen. So epsilon plus A, open bracket, BA whole star, then again open bracket, epsilon plus B close bracket exactly. Okay. So interchange we need to perform. Otherwise, we may get consecutive A's and consecutive B's over there. Then later. Seventh question, obtain a regular expression representing a language consisting of strings of zeros and one with at most one pair of consecutive zeros. Okay, what they're saying, at most one pair of consecutive zeros. Maximum, at most one pair of consecutive zero is allowed. After that, there is no chances of occurrence of consecutive zeros over there. Okay, so now we'll see. Okay, solution. Observe that the string may have any number of ones with no zeros, number like no zeros, or with 1, 0, or with 2 zeros exactly. Okay, but consecutive zeros, okay, should not be more than 1 exactly. Okay, so for that, then later, the string consisting of the string containing at most 2 zeros will have the following 3 cases. Okay, so there are 3 cases available over here. We'll see this. We'll go through what are those cases and all. Okay, so case number 1, no zeros, which may represent any number of ones, and given by the regular expression 1 star exactly. Okay, so like 1 followed by like no zeros. How we can write this? 1 star. Okay, fine. Then no 2 consecutive zeros can be obtained by any combination of ones and 0 ones as shown below. Okay. See, try to understand this question. What is saying? Obtain a regular expression representing a language consisting of strings of zeros and one with at most one pair of consecutive zeros. Okay. It states that one pair of consecutive zero can be allowed. Okay, so here any number of 1 0 you may get, here also we may get any number of 1 0 over there. Doesn't matter exactly. Okay, but consecutive zeros should be what? Like one pair means continuously twice it can occur. That's it. Okay, only once it will be. Okay, so here it should be 1. Okay, 0, 1, 0 if you are getting, then okay, fine, no problem. Okay, but somewhere we must have what? We must have one pair of a consecutive zero. That's it. Other than that, no. Okay, so we'll see this. Okay, so here, instead of explaining all these cases, let me directly go for this regular expression. Observe it very careful. Here we have that consecutive zero. Okay, 0, 0 exactly. Right? Okay, so here, there are different possible conditions available. See, this is what was one particular set. This is another set. and this is another set exactly. Okay, in this question, with at most one pair of consecutive zeros, they are mentioned. Maximum number of time, how many times one pair of consecutive zero can occur? Once exactly. Okay, at most. Zero times, yes, it is also possible. That zero time is indicated by this particular one star. Okay, only one star. It is free from zero. Yes, possible. Yes, possible. Okay. Then later, second possible condition, like it is not free from zero. Okay, but we have zero, but we don't have a consecutive zero available over here. Okay, so that how we can do? See, 1 plus 0, 1 whole star. Okay, so this condition may occur any number of times, like 1 or 0, 1 exactly. See, this 0, 1, if it is occurring for 100 number of time also, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 only we get, right? We won't be getting consecutive zeros over there. Okay, if it is followed by epsilon or 0, okay, then also we don't have any problem, right? Okay, it will be like 0, 1, okay, epsilon or 0 exactly. Consecutive zeros you are not getting. Okay, and this condition we are satisfying over here. Observe very careful. At most one pair of consecutive zero they are saying. If you are including the consecutive zero, center we are making it as, okay, and the prior and at the last also, okay, we are providing some set of condition available. Okay, what kind of condition? Same condition. 1 plus 0, 1. Clear? 1 plus 0, 1 whole star. So any number of 1 we may get, or any number of 0, 1 we may get. Okay, followed by what? 0, 0. Then what you get? 0, 1. From here 0, 0 we are getting. Here consecutive 0 only once we are getting, and here also either 1 you get or else 1, 0 you are going to get. Okay, how many number of time? Maximum number of time consecutive 0 occur? Only once exactly. Here no condition. Okay, here we don't have an option of consecutive 0. Here also there is no condition of generating a 0 itself. Okay, so this is how we are generating the regular expression. Okay, so here there is a theory kind explanation. Please go through this. Okay, because we got total 40 different problems such kind. Okay, we need to solve varieties of problem. Because of that, I'm going to skip that theory concepts. Okay, you just read them. Okay, then later obtain a regular expression representing a language consisting of at least one A and at least one B, where sigma will be equal to A comma B comma C. Okay, see, in this question they are specifying at least one A and at least one B. That is fixed. Okay, that is fixed. Okay, at least one A or at least one B should be available. Later, any combination of A, B, okay, we may get over there. Fine. So this is a possible of the regular expression what we can design it for. Like the basic regular expression will be either AB or BA. Okay, what he's saying? At least one A, at least one B. See, in this case also, one A, one B we have, or else BA. Okay, this is first pattern, this is second pattern exactly. Okay, so now here, okay, here also we may get ABC, here also we may get ABC, and at last also we may get ABC over there, right? And in this case also, here also we may get ABC, here also we may get ABC, here also we may get ABC. So for this AB, we are representing like ABC occurrence in different location. Okay, and for this BA, here we are suggesting over there. Okay, see, AB we have, right? So before this A plus B plus C whole star we are writing. Okay, means it may occur. A or B or C, any number of time it may occur over there. Then later, 1A it should occur. See, because of that 1A we have. Then it is followed by B, right? But before that B also, any number of ABC we may get. There is a possibility. That's why what we need, A plus B plus C whole star again. Then later at last we may get B. Okay, B we are writing. Again, B may be followed by A plus B plus C whole star. Why we are writing like this? They are saying like at least one A and one B they are saying. Okay, at most any number of A's we may get. Okay, at most condition we are defining using this A plus B plus C whole star equal to. Same thing we need to do it for BA also. Okay, like this is what the pattern AB you may get or BA you may get. Okay, so same thing we did for this. Okay, so we need to combine these two. How we can do this? Here, this we need to write first. Later 1 plus, then this we need to write. Okay, so if your input string is in this particular pattern, it will be evaluated. If input string in this particular pattern, it will be evaluated. Not together. Remember, either this or this exactly. Then later, ninth problem, obtain a regular expression for the language L. Okay, where the alphabets of L will be like 0, 1. Okay, with whole star we are having with at least 3 consecutive zeros over there. Okay, so at least 3 consecutive zero means okay, it should occur. Okay, more than that, if it is occurring also no problem. But if you are avoiding that more than occurrences of 0, that is also possible. No issue. But with at least 3 consecutive 0, at least once it should occur. Okay, any number of times if it is occurring, no problem. Okay, but at least once it should occur. Okay, so first, the minimum requirement is what? 3 consecutive 0, just mention it. Okay, so before this and after this, anything may happen, right? Okay, here you may get something, here also you may get something. Okay, so how we are defining is like 0 plus 1 whole star we are writing. Okay, so any number of 0 also we may get, any number of 1 also we may get. Okay, we don't have a restriction like at least, let's say at most only one set of 3 consecutive zeros should be available. That condition we don't have. So 0 plus 1 whole star, 3 zeros, 0 plus 1 whole star we are writing. Okay, so which will lead us to what? Any number of 0 followed by 3 number of zeros followed by any number of zeros, or else any number of 1 followed by 3 consecutive zeros followed by any number of ones exactly. Anything may possible. Okay, so later. At last, question number 10, obtain a regular expression representing strings of A's and B's ending with B and has no substring AA exactly. Okay, observe it very careful. Fine. Ending with B and has no substring AA. Okay, it indicates what? In your regular expression, there is no point, okay, which should generate double A. Okay, and one more thing is what? It should be ending with B exactly. It should be ending with B exactly. Okay, very careful. So now, so here, see here, B plus AB we are writing. Okay, B plus AB. Okay, so here, B we may get, okay, let me write an example. So from this we may get B. Okay, then here, B plus AB whole star we are having. Okay, whole star we are having. If it is occurring 0 times, here we may get nothing, right? Then what we are ending with B exactly. Okay, then later, if it is occurring also, if we are like if B is occurring once, okay, then here B you get double B you are getting. Okay, according to this, what is the condition? Substring AA should not be available. Okay, and it should be ending with B exactly, satisfied exactly. Okay, then we'll consider the second possibility over there. AB, I will consider it from the first set. Okay. Then from the second set, I will consider 0 exactly. Then what you left with? AB exactly. Do you have a substring double A? No. Okay. Then whether you are ending with B exactly? Yes, we are ending with B exactly. Okay. Then later, observe it. If your first set is AB, okay, then second set is also AB, any number of times, then you won't get double A exactly. Right? Consecutive A you may get AB, AB. Right next to B, A will be followed. Okay, and every possibility is what we are ending with B exactly. Okay, so this is how we are generating the regular expressions points. Okay, so for more clarification, you just go through this explanation. See the statement strings of A's and B's ending with B and has no substring double A can be like we can represent, okay, using the combination of this particular, okay, B plus AB, B plus AB whole star exactly. Okay, see, if it is the regular expression, whatever you are generating, right, how to check whether it is in the proper format or not. Okay, try to substitute some values, like take B from this, take AB from this. Okay, whole star you are providing, right? Multiple number of time it will occur, right? 0 or more number of time it will occur, right? Okay, substitute it, okay, and try to verify whether it is violating the question or not. If it is not violating, then it is in the proper format. Okay, try to check for different conditions. Okay, okay, students. So this is it for now. Total 10 questions. So with next few more questions, okay, we will meet with next video. Okay, thank you, students.